Hey, Maiko here. Welcome to another episode of Fixing Things Around My House. Today I will be showing you how to replace a leaking ceramic cartridge valve in a Delta 2-handled lavatory faucet, as well as how to remove mineral deposits from the surface. The first thing you will need to do is remove the handle of the leaking unit and verify which valve your faucet has so you can order the correct replacement. My faucet requires a 3/32 inch Allen wrench in order to remove the handle. Once you have removed the handle, look at the valve construction and go to the Delta Faucet 2-handle cartridge website shown in the video. Once you have identified the correct cartridge, I found it was cheaper on Amazon than from the Delta website, but your results may vary. For this repair, you will need the Allen wrench appropriate for your unit, the new replacement cartridge, a crescent wrench or channel locks, and if you have mineral buildup, a sprayer of CLR, a paper towel, and rubber band. CLR can be purchased at most hardware stores and of course online. After turning off the water at the valve under the sink, you remove the handle with the Allen wrench. Then you remove the lock nut that holds down the cartridge with a crescent wrench. At this point, you should take a photo of the valve so that you can have a reference of how it was assembled. You carefully ease the cartridge out of the base, making sure not to separate the unit as it is not held together except by the nut you just removed. Once you have removed the cartridge, take the new one and make it match the old unit by shifting the white plastic stop so it looks the same in relation to the valve body as well as the D brass connector. Pull the plastic stop up until it lifts up and then rotate it to the corresponding notch that matches the other valve. If you have mineral buildup on your faucet, this is the point where I would use CLR to safely remove the deposits without damaging the chrome. Once you are satisfied that all the minerals have been removed and the valve body is flushed, you can put the new valve in the faucet. Now you can drop in the new valve and verify that it looks like the picture you took, and then tighten the lock nut. Now you should dry fit the handle to make sure it swings correctly, both on and off, and without any resistance or binding. Tighten the handle with the Allen wrench. Now you can turn on the water and test the faucet. And there you have it, a leak-free Delta faucet. Thank you for watching. Please comment and subscribe to my channel, as I will be adding more videos in the near future.